Use tight-fitting eye protection and respiratory protection before you touch any aerosol can recharge equipment. When refilling an aerosol spray can, you should choose chemical-resistant gloves such as nitrile that fit snugly to maintain dexterity and prevent permeation. Double glove with a thin nitrile inner layer and a thicker chemical splash outer glove for longer tasks. Wear indirect venting safety glasses that seal at the sides and add a clear face shield when there is any risk of splatter or rupture because flying fragments can bypass glasses. Use a respirator with organic vapor cartridges rated for the solvent being handled and pair it with a particulate filter if you might encounter aerosols or mists. Perform a quick fit check and replace cartridges according to the manufacturer's schedule. Put on hearing protection if you will be using compressors, power pumps, or any device that produces loud bursts while pressurizing cans. If you must modify caps or metal fittings, wear cut-resistant gloves over your nitrile gloves and use proper hand tools that keep hands away from blade paths. Clamp parts securely rather than holding by hand. Work in a well-ventilated area, ideally outdoors or in a ventilated hood. Keep a fire extinguisher rated for flammable liquids nearby, and keep ignition sources at least several meters away. Common mistakes include relying on a single thin glove and suffering chemical permeation, which you avoid by using double-layered chemical-resistant gloves and changing them often. A second mistake is using only safety glasses and not a face shield, which leaves you exposed to fragments and splashes, so add a full face shield whenever pressurization or mechanical modification is involved. A third frequent issue is using no respiratory protection or the wrong cartridge. Check the chemical safety datasheet for the solvent, match the cartridge type to the contaminant, perform a user seal check, and replace cartridges when breathing resistance or smell indicates breakthrough. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a community where we discuss projects, safety practices, and tool choices. We help contractors find jobs by listing project opportunities and letting them engage directly with homeowners and our discussion community.